4th impart, Ghee Clarified butter, grass-fed, garlic, 9 ounces, 255 grams. Product Overview Description. Proudly made in California, fuel happy, pasture raised, certified, gluten-free, certified, paleo, non-GMO, certified by NSF Kosher Dairy. What is ghee? Ghee is a lactose-free, superfood alternative to other everyday butter, butter alternatives, and cooking oils that is made by simply cooking and filtering butter. Use every day for a healthier you. Suggested use. Perfect for meat, pasta, veggies. For best results, store at room temperature. Keep clean and dry, and use within 3 months. Other ingredients: clarified butter, milk, garlic. Made from milk from cows not treated with rBST. Warnings: high smoke point, 482 degrees Fahrenheit, 250 degrees Celsius. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.